Hi viewers! Welcome to HMKsuper.cars. The first of 10 Bugatti Centodiecis delivered to its new owner, finished in an iconic color combo. Before going to the detail, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too. Guys, the Bugatti Centodiecis is a highly limited supercar with a price tag of $8.8 million based on the Chiron and inspired by the EV110. Following a lengthy process of testing and preparations, French luxury car manufacturer Bugatti has completed the production of the first 10 unit of the Centodiecis Sports car and has delivered it to the respective owner. The vehicle has been finished in EV110 blue, a color that is synonymous with Bugatti, and a tribute to the legendary EV110 of the 90s. It is also synonymous to the Campo Galliano facility that it was constructed in. The factory would become known as the Fabrica Blue or Blue Factory. The first of 10 Centodiecis supercars left Bugatti's factory finished in a classic EV110 blue with EV110 Sport silver wheels. The iconic color combo shouldn't come as a surprise, though the new owner of the first Centodiecis also owns a classic EV110 GT finished in the same colors. Christophe Piachon, president of Bugatti, comments: "We at Bugatti in Molsheim are proud to have completed and delivered the very first Centodiecis, Bugatti's latest few-off model. The Centodiecis builds upon Ettore Bugatti's successful 110-year lineage of exceptional design and performance, while reviving the memory of the brand's recent history. After 2 years of relentless development, we have refined the Centodiecis to the standard our customers expect of all Bugatti models. The Bugatti Centodiecis has undergone extreme testing over 50,000 kilometers on road and track before taking its production form. It has been aerodynamically fine-tuned in the wind tunnel and test